Alright. These are the elevators, the main bank at the University Square Garage in Lincoln, Nebraska. And so this is going to be my actual final ride on these elevators. So according to my ThyssenKrupp Elevator Americas to send me to these elevators. There are probably soon in 2019 they are getting modernized. But so these elevators are not been touched yet. So let's ring the elevator. Here we go. Which one's gonna be? I'll probably get that one. Here it is. Probably get that one. Yep. Let's go to 5. Here we are 5. I'm gonna miss the original elevators here. Sadly, these elevators are the original elevators, Kruppy mod elevators, are gonna be not here anymore. S. Here we go. Here S. And so that being said, that will be it.